Hello my besties, how are you? If you are here for the first time, welcome. My name is Kathy and this is my DIY channel. Do you need a gift for a baby shower or to welcome a new little one to the world and congratulate the new proud parents? Well, I'm sure sooner or later somebody in your circle is gonna have a baby and you're gonna need a gift. Well, why not give a gift basket? Gift baskets are a great idea because you can fill them with a variety of things and adjust your budget as you wish. So in this video, I want to show you how to make an adorable baby gift basket that will for sure bring smiles to the new proud parents and of course to the little bundle of joy. And most importantly, save you a ton of money. Let's do it, guys. But before we start crafting, let's pick another winner for the Lemon Wreath giveaway. Unfortunately, Katie did not respond to me, and it's been more than 48 hours. We need to select a new winner. And this time I asked my son Kyle to help us draw the name. Hopefully we're gonna have more luck this time around. Let's see. Nicolin Hastings, congratulations! You are the winner of the Lemon Wreath. Please contact me within 48 hours. Now, without any further ado, let's put together baby gift basket. Items that we're gonna need is a baby blanket, baby sacks, and then any other things that you like a cute little doll if it's a girl, or maybe a teddy bear for a boy. Some onesies. Onesies are always needed, right? And any other things that you like. I think you set the budget, how much you want to spend, and you go to a store like Marshall's because they really have good prices there. You can get things there a lot cheaper. Like this tutu skirt with the tiara and a magic wand, I paid only $10. It's a beautiful set for a baby photo shoot. Other necessary items are baby diapers, wipes. They serve as fillers. I don't spend money on fillers that are getting thrown away. I'd rather buy something that they're gonna need. And some decor pieces like flowers, ribbons, cellophane wrap, anything that you want to decorate your basket with. If it's a little boy, maybe small cars or dinosaurs, whatever your theme of the basket's gonna be. In addition, we're gonna need a large round container, like I like to recycle cookie bags, some rubber bands, jute string, little clothespins, bamboo sticks, and large s'more sticks. Everything can be found in a dollar store. So first thing we do is cover our round container with the blanket. And I chose this beautiful blanket with the puppies from Marshall's. It's so nice and so soft. It's actually a little bit too thick for this project, but I know this is beautiful and what a great value. I paid only $7.99 for it. That's why I recommend going to that store, because anywhere else, like in a baby store, you would have to pay triple that money for a blanket this quality. So I think it's worth the effort to have this blanket. But if you want to make it easy on yourself, pick something lighter, okay? And then we just cover it and put a rubber band around it, and that will hold everything together for us. And once you have the rubber band on, you just fold everything under the rubber band and create a nice round basket shape. Next, we're going to roll the diapers, and please make sure that you wash your hands first. And then each diaper, we tie it with a rubber band. We don't use any pins, glue, or anything that could hurt the baby, okay? Also, you decide how you want to roll that diaper from which end. I do it this way, so I have a little bit of greenery. This is strategic for my color coordination. If I had a purple blanket, I would have rolled the diaper the other way. And now the next step is just attaching the diapers to the basket. And this is very simple. We just lift up the rubber band and insert the diaper. And we go all the way around. So easy. We don't attach with anything else, just like that. And you see, this is why I said a lighter blanket is better for this project. Whatever I folded under, it came out already, but I'm not gonna stress it. I'm gonna fix it before put it all together. It's gonna be okay. And this is how it looks. Isn't that cute? That's the basket, and on the inside now, we have space to insert the rest of our gifts. And then for my clothesline, I'm gonna insert the small sticks on both sides. I actually broke one in half. It's sufficient. But before we do that, let me show you everything that I got. So that adorable tutu skirt with the wand and the tiara is just perfect for the little princess. A nice set with the leggings and a long sleeve onesie and a bib. We remove all the hangers and the prices, of course. We don't want any of that. And that set of 5 onesies, they actually grow with me. So there's smaller and bigger ones, which is perfect for a new baby. We remove all the hangers and we're gonna fold everything nicely before we insert in the basket. This is a Carter's brand, by the way, and normally would cost about $28, and we paid only $10 at Marshall's. Good deal. Oh, and how cute are these bandana bibs? So adorable. And now let's start inserting everything in a basket. We start with the focal item. So my focal item is this adorable ballerina doll. I mean, it's so cute. It's gonna be like a keepsake for a little baby. And then just start inserting everything around that little doll. And if you notice, I have some washcloths. Washcloths are perfect fillers because you can lift things up using the washcloths. And then just put your cutest items up front and visible, and other things in the back. Everything's cute here, but you gotta make your choice, you know? And now let's work on our little clothesline. We have jute string that we're gonna attach to both sticks. Next, we're going to use a little bit of hot glue to attach the string to the sticks so it doesn't slide down. And I just realized I forgot to insert the wipes. Keep everything on one table, guys, because you're gonna forget to add something. But no problem. I put them in there and cover it nicely with everything else, and I think it's gonna be cute. And now those adorable baby socks. I always pick the nicest pair to hang on the clothesline, and the rest I add to the basket. But I noticed my clothesline is too flimsy. I decide to attach one more stick behind the clothesline for stability. Then I make this cute little jute string bows for decoration. I just put some jute string around my fingers and then tie it with another piece of string to create a cute little bow. and then attach them at the top just like so. Now that our clothesline is nice and stable, we're gonna attach the little sacks to the string using the clothespins from Dollar Tree. They have those minis there in the craft section. So adorable, isn't it? This adorable sign is also from Dollar Tree. We're just inserting that behind the rubber band. And now the flowers. We cut them up to separate, and they come from Dollar Tree too, if you are wondering. In order to cover the rubber band, we're gonna use some ribbon. This adorable ribbon comes from Dollar Tree as well. I seal the ribbon with a dot of hot glue, and I make sure that nothing gets on the diaper. And then I actually decide to shift it a little bit so that a portion is covered by our little sign. And now let's add our cute little flowers. Flowers just take things to the next level, right? They really brighten up this basket. Look how beautiful it came out. It's hard to believe we spent only $60 on these items. And of course, you could have dropped everything in a gift bag with some tissue paper, but it will never have this effect. When the new parents receive a gift like that, they will love it. And like I said, be sure to be smiling because, you know, they could see that you put some love and effort into it. So I highly encourage you guys to give gifts this way. And just for comparison, look at the website giftbaskets.com. $130, $150 for a gift basket. And there's not even that many items there. They're not such a good quality like we found at Marshall's. Look at this little cheap bear from 1-800-Flowers. I mean, what is this for $80? They don't even compare to our basket. And my subscribers know that I love to add a cherry on the top of my projects. So here I printed baby's name on a small tag, and I'm gonna attach it right here. I think it's the perfect cherry on top, and it just finishes off this beautiful gift basket. What do you think? I think everyone loves to receive personalized gifts. It makes them feel special that it was custom made just for them. And now all that's left to do is just wrapping the gift basket in cellophane wrap. Unfortunately, it was too big to put in one of those big plastic bags, which would have been a little bit easier, but it's okay. We just cut a big piece, tie it at the top, and then fold in the sides and use some clear tape to seal it all around. It's not really difficult. Please note I didn't tie a big bow at the top. I didn't want it to take away from the beauty of this basket. I don't think it was necessary. Tell me, what would you do? Do you like big bows? Let me know, I wonder. I can tell you that the proud new parents were very happy and surprised to receive this gift basket. They loved it so much. And how adorable is baby Olivia? Oh my goodness, so precious. Have you guys met my baby? This is Coco. She's a Shorty, Shih Tzu Yorkie mix, and she's about 6 months right now. She is actually such a handful. And lately, people have been telling me that she reminds them of someone. Have you seen the trailer of the new movie, The Secret Life of Pets 2? The little Daisy. Do you see the resemblance? I hope you guys enjoyed this video and it's gonna come useful to you one day when you're gonna need a baby gift. And if you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. I have many more creative ideas for you in the future. Take care. Bye-bye. Coco, say bye-bye. Are you taking a nap now? You see, now she's good. But you guys seen her in action, right? You've seen what she can do. Take care. Not for you, Coco. Not for you. No. No. No.